Removing duplicates. There's a button for that, and thank goodness because it used to be a pain. Here's how I used to have to do it. So here we have our data, which is just basically combinations of colors and clothing items. And let's say that we wanted to remove all the duplicate combinations of things here. How I used to have to do it is go to pivot table, make this a pivot table, and then configure the pivot table. I'd have to go to report layout, show in tabular form, then repeat all item labels, a bunch of different options here. Remove subtotals. And then a lot of times I would copy this. I've done it so many times I have it memorized. And then paste the actual data somewhere and then delete the pivot table. All that stuff with pivot tables covered in a more advanced module. But anyway, that's how I'd get my different combinations of colors and clothing items. Now, if we wanted to do that today, all we have to do is highlight our data, go up here to the data option, and it's kind of hard to find if you have a compact view like this. It's this one right here in the middle next to text to columns. If you have your window a little wider, you'll see it say remove duplicates, or if it's even wider still, you'll see a really big button for it. Just know if you have it in a compact spreadsheet, it's going to be right there. So let's click on it. And here what it's saying is we're going to consider the color and clothing item combination. So I'm going to leave that alone and click OK. And the window says it's removed 11 duplicate values and left 9 remaining. And as you can see, it's the same number of combinations that we got from our pivot table. Say we wanted to do this individually. Just highlight that, go to remove duplicates. We've got our 3 colors, white, red, and blue. Same with clothing items, we can do that individually. It's removed all but 4 clothing items. So anyway, really quick lesson on removing duplicates. You won't find this in any checkpoint, so feel free to follow along and review this video again.